What's up guys, in this video I will unbox and install Brooks B17 saddle onto my Brompton. Recently I returned back from multiple months bikepacking trip, and I realized that standard Brompton saddle is just too painful to use. So the standard saddle is made from plastic and rubber, and it's not exactly the most comfortable saddle on the market. And every time I research the topic on why I cannot sit on a bike for longer than 1 hour straight, every single comment suggested to buy a saddle that is not rubberized, that is not soft, but tight and firm. So I took a plunge and bought really expensive Brooks B17 saddle. Initially I wanted the brown or black one, but they were more than 30% more expensive than the cheapest one, the one in color called Honey. So without further ado, let's unbox the saddle and inside afterwards. The box is made from cartoon. It's very well thought. There's engravings that says Brooks, England, 1866. On the bottom there's a short verse. I like that poem. So let's open it up. Check this out. It's brand new. Feels really stiff. Color is not that bad. I thought the honey would be really eye-catching and I wouldn't like it. But on a black Brompton, this will look incredible. What a nice package. So they included even wrench or something like that. Now when I open this envelope, what we have here, and a wrench. It seems like original. It's hard to tell if it's fake or not. Price was definitely on the original side. So to install a new saddle onto Brompton, you will need these Allen keys. To unscrew the platform, you will need the 5mm Allen key, which is this one. Then you take the Allen key and unscrew the saddle. Once it's loosened up, you just need to hold it on both sides like this and remove the saddle. Don't lose any of these parts and just take out the screw. Now we put saddle on the seat post and adjust the angle and the height. When we are satisfied with the height and the angle of the saddle, then we'll take the Allen key and tighten up the saddle to the seat post. So the saddle is tight and it sits well. So I'm very satisfied. I'm very curious how it's like to ride a firm saddle instead of this rubber plastic one. I was afraid that the honey color would look terrible on my black Brompton, but it looks amazing. In any case, this honey color will turn to maybe brown over time due to raining, due to water, due to stain from the dirt and everything. So I will get my brown in 10 years, 5 to 10 years. So finally let's take it for the ride. what can I say? So far so good. It's not that soft and comfy as the standard saddle, but I guess the benefits will show up after maybe 1 or 2 hours of sitting on a Brompton. So far I tend to slide forward on these saddles. I don't know if it's normal or not. It's definitely easier to move around with your butt, and on uneven surfaces it might be even more comfortable than standard saddle because you feel less shocks from that rubber. Whilst with this Brooks saddle, it is somehow different. Your butt sits firmly in one place. And I read somewhere that since it's made from leather, it will transform its shapes with the time. So I expect that initially it won't be the best riding experience, but it will get better over time. All in all, I'm super satisfied so far. It's not that bad. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.